Hi, I shall discuss today a program that will remove the duplicates of an array. Okay, duplicate elements of an array. So before going to the program, I shall first discuss the logic behind this program. Okay, so let us say this is our array. So this is our array of 5 elements. Okay, the array index is I, and zeroth element, first element, second element, third element, fourth element. So I have inputted 5 elements in the corresponding array positions. Okay, now how I can check the duplicates? Okay, so let's say uh, so you can see here that I have taken 3 variables I, J and T. So I shall iterate first the I variable with I variable, iterate the array with I variable. So let's say I am accessing at first 0th element. So yeah, so I am accessing at first when I equal to 0. So I have initiated a for loop for this I variable that will iterate from 0 to n. Okay, n is basically the array length, n minus 1. So array length is 4. Okay, so 0 to 4, this array will iterate from 0 to 4. Now our second for loop, that is with variable j. Okay, that will iterate from position I plus 1 to n. why why this is from I plus 1 to n. So with this loop I am basically accessing the rest of the array elements and checking that if there is any duplicate. Okay, so let's say at first I have checked 0th position with first position. Yes, now after that second position, after that third position, after that fourth position. Okay, now let's say I have found a duplicate with second position. Okay, so that means basically that our 0th position of the array and second position of the array is basically same element. Let's say I have a value 5 in 0th position and also in second position. Okay, so now how we can remove this duplicate element from the array. So I will prefer to delete the second position of this array. Okay, and I will keep the 0th position. Okay, so now one of the position should be removed. Okay, so now what I shall do is I will initiate another for loop. Okay, so with this t variable. So what this for loop is doing is this will iterate from position j. This is our position j. So j is now basically is 2. So this will iterate from j to rest of the array. So iterate from this and this, this. Okay, so this third for loop will iterate from these two second position, so j to n. Okay, so here we have found a duplicate element. So what we will do now, so I shall assign this array of this position with the next position. So what now this loop will do is, so I am assigning the second position with the third position, so next position. Okay, so this is basically now 3 third, and this is this is also basically 3. Okay, so what does that with this now? This is not the index actually. This is I am indicating that I am assigning the third position with second position. Okay, so this is basically our position. So don't mistake it. Okay, so yeah. Now what I shall do, so our what I shall do is um, now I shall continue this for loop with to n, and I shall so you can see here that this position is filled up with the next position, and I shall iterate this loop with up to n. So the next position will be shifted in the previous position. Okay, every next position will be shifted to previous position. Okay. Now what I shall do is delete this for this is this last element, so delete this. Okay, because this has been copied in the previous position. Okay, so now I shall delete this, and so our array is decremented. So our array is decremented. Okay, now the length of the array is basically decremented. Okay, so now previously our length was 5, and now this is length is 4, so this is basically index, so index is 3. Okay, that is the logic behind the program. Okay, now I shall go to the program. So yeah, so here you can see that I have initiated I have taken and initialized the I have taken 5 variables. Okay, I, j, t, n, and length. What these are doing? Sorry, length is not. Yeah, I, j, t, and n. Okay, so now I have in sorry. So I have taken an array of 100 integers. Okay, so I am at first I am inputting the array length of the array. So our length of the array is n. Okay, now I am taking user input for the array elements. Okay, so this was our first loop. What I have shown earlier. This is our first loop. Okay, so I is first loop. Now second loop will iterate from I plus 1, sorry, I plus 1th position to nth position. Okay, so n minus 1th position actually, because array is starting with 0. So okay, yeah. And our third for loop was sorry, now I shall check that if, now you can see here that now I shall check with this array of I with array of j. Okay, so if array of I now we'll again initiate an for loop for this. This is our last for loop, this for loop. So this will iterate from jth position to n minus 1th position. Okay, so t equal to j. And I shall decrement the array size if any of the elements have been matched. Okay, and also the value of j. Yeah, so this is how the program works. Okay, so we will now run our program. So let's say I want to enter 7 elements. The elements are 1, 2, So you can see that new array is 1 2 3 4 5. So you can see we have 5 distinct elements here, 1 2 3 4 and 5. Others are duplicates, so duplicates has been removed. Okay, so thank you.